Hey guys, just a quick forward that if you are starting out brand new in our sales, we need your PayPal email address, your real full name, because many people use aliases, sometimes a different alias for Facebook, YouTube, email, and PayPal. So sometimes we have up to 4 to 5 names for one person. So we need your real name that's going to be in your PayPal account. Any way that we can get a hold of you on Facebook would way be appreciated. We'd love for you to join our community group on Facebook, Quality Crafts Community Group. It's non-drama, non-commitment. We just disseminate lots of information there, so that's really important. And your address and your email, obviously your address and your zip code, just in case, so that we have everything that we need to make sure that our shipments to you go smoothly and on time. Hey crafters, it's me, Jen Evers with Quality Crafts, and if you are already a part of the community or you're a support to the community in Patreon, thank you so much for being here. And if you're new, thank you for joining. This is for you. This is to make sure that you understand how our sales work. Quick overview of how our sales work. We have a 2-week window where in the Quality Crafts resale group, we will put items and things that you can purchase within that group. We'll put pre-orders in there, and all that stuff will go into your bin. Unless it's a pre-sale, we'll let you know when those are coming in. You will not be charged until those come in. So anything that you buy in that group will go into your bin until the sale on Saturday. Saturday we'll run our 4-hour sale. Everything will go into the same bin. You'll save on shipping because it'll all be combined. We will invoice you that evening. Payment due upon receipt, however you have until noon on Sunday to pay that. And then everything will ship on Monday. Sales are typically every other week. 1-hour sale on Friday evenings for patrons only. And then a regular public sale on Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And it's always Central Standard Time. What you'll need for the sales is your favorite drink, your favorite pajamas, and a sheet of paper. We do not itemize when we invoice, so make sure that you're writing down all of your favorite things that you've purchased from us so that when you get your shipment, you can double check and make sure that you got everything in your order. So where do you find our sales? Predominantly, you're going to find the longer, larger sales on YouTube, on my channel, youtube.com/Jen Evers. However, we also do have a Quality Crafts resale group on Facebook. That is where you're going to find multitudes of things that you can purchase at your leisure. I will put them in your bin, save them for the sale that's coming up in the next Saturday. There will always be a little post at the top of that group that says when the next invoice will be. If you want me to invoice you earlier because you've bought a bunch of stuff and you don't want to go to the sale or you can't make it, all you have to do is let me know and I can invoice you earlier. After each large sale on Saturday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., we invoice everybody that evening. Payment is due upon receipt of that invoice. However, we give you until noon the next day to get that paid. Anybody who doesn't pay by noon the next day, we will give you 2 to 3 opportunities in an email reminder to get it paid. And after those 2 or 3 reminders, we'll just assume that you no longer want those items and we will cancel the order and put that back into the sale. If you have extenuating circumstances, like life emergencies, please get in contact with us. If there's a reason why you can't pay, and you've been a long-standing and genuine customer of ours, we would be happy to work with you. However, if you are a brand new person and 1 week you say, or one sale you say you need to hold, and we grant you that permission to hold your sale until the next one, and then the next time you have another excuse, we will cancel your order immediately and you'll be put on the no-no list, which means you'll have to sit out on the next sale and possibly just be banned from sales in the future. Shipping. So our shipping starts, ever since they changed it to the codes or the what they call the areas and all that stuff, we decided for our policy that we are not going to ship by code. Our shipping goes something like this, okay? So if you have a pound or less and we can fit it in a poly bag, it's an automatic $6 charge. Anything above and beyond that goes in a flat rate, like a flat rate bubble envelope would be the next step up. The next would be a flat rate medium box, and the next would be a flat rate large box. I am really good at packing these things quite full and making sure that your shipments are getting to you safely and unbroken. But I just want to let you know that's how we do our shipping, and if ever something isn't right or ends up getting to you in bad shape, I always want you to get in contact with me so that I can make sure that I set things right for you. The online sales on YouTube can sometimes get really fast, and you have to make sure that you are typing in exactly what you need. Everything should be incorporated with the word sold and as exact as you could get to what that product description is. All in one line, all in capital letters. If you're not typing in capital letters, it's no personal offense against you, but you will be skipped and you will miss out on things that you want. So make sure that you're typing. Oh, make sure that you have your comments set on the top. There's a little toggle to live chat so that everything flows typically the way I would see it. So if I, on my end, see somebody before you, it will always go by what I see on my end. And make sure you're typing all in capital letters so you don't get skipped. At each large sale on Saturday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Central Standard Time, we will gather certain products as the sale goes along and create a giveaway package. Typically it will fill a standard bubble flat rate package. So one person who shares will be random drawn to win that package. So while we're doing that, while we're live, we would love for you to share that video live, do a watch party, or actually I don't know if you can do watch parties from YouTube, but do share that live video so that more people can join in and you have a chance to win that random draw prize package. Are you looking around and not finding exactly that thing that you want? We love to do pre-orders for you. All you have to do is private message myself or Penny Ratcliffe and let us know what is it that you're looking for. Maybe some other people are looking for the same thing. We will take a picture, we will put the price on it and do a pre-order, and if we get enough purchasers, we will order that specific item for you. So that's what I have for you guys today regarding our sales on YouTube, our sales on Facebook, and that sort of thing. If you have any other questions or you can't find something, please log into qualitycrafts.com and look for the tabs at the top and the links on the first page, and that should take you pretty much anywhere you need to go to see what's going on in the community. As always, you can contact me or Penny Ratcliffe by Facebook private message or email qualitycrafts@gmail.com, and we'll get back to you just as soon as we can. There's also a place for you to leave comments and for you to sign up to get emails so that you know what's going on the qualitycrafts.com page. Just click on the store tab and sign up. Until then, I can't wait to see you guys next video.